The weatherman says it's going to be 112 degrees today. In just 1 week's time, the dirt has turned to powdery dust. Because of this, I have to find a way to get water to my chickens and to my garden. Just make it accessible. Because right now, it's a chore to get the water to them. There's no more putting it off. I gotta get to digging. I think I'll use my tiller and soften the ground up and then scoop it out. But the sun just keeps bearing down, and I continue to dig. The sun just wouldn't quit. But I had to keep on digging until I got to the end. I think just for spite, destiny had to throw in some roots that I had to chop out with my little hatchet. No worries. Thinking ahead, I decided to go ahead and put a T in the line. That way, I already have the T headed in that direction. But that's for a later project. It's too hot for that right now. The faucet's going to have some support. I don't want the lawnmower coming along and knocking it over. So I'm going to have to add a post just to secure it and stabilize it. My resolve is tested under this relentless sun. It just won't quit. It is unbelievably hot out here. But I press on. I'm not giving up. I've got to finish the job, get everything secured. That way my garden and my rabbits and chickens will be happy. Now all I got to do is cover the pipe with dirt, and hopefully this project will be over. Thankfully, extending my water line has allowed me to reach all the way out to my chicken yard. It's allowed me to reach all of my garden, and just in time too, because the sun is still blazing on. I'm just going to take a moment to cool off. It has been some kind of hot. I don't know if I've mentioned that or not. Let's look at how it turned out. Not too bad, if I say so myself. The garden's happy. The animals are happy. I'm happy. And most important of all, Blinda's happy. God bless. Y'all have a good day.